last time. That was so bad. I apologize for that. But it is time to decorate. This looks cute. Kind of matches with my outfit right now. Little reindeer moment. Was this for my dogs? Yes, but it looks cute on my head, so I'm wearing it. Okay, so this is what we're working with right here. This is all the decorations that I pulled out of 4 bins that we have here in our garage. And unfortunately our Christmas tree is at the lake house, so we can't put up the Christmas tree and decorate it tonight, but we can do it next weekend. So yeah, we have a lot of decorations here. I don't know how we're gonna decorate this year. I don't know if we're gonna do it the same last year, to be honest. I don't even remember how we decorated last year. I never remember how we decorate each year, and I know I recorded it's on my YouTube channel, but sometimes I don't be feeling like going back and looking at those videos, you know? But you guys should. I'll link it below. Anywho, I'm gonna go through, decide on what we want to use here, if we want to take some to the lake house. I even might take some to my office so that way I can decorate there too.
Once I realized that, I had them just sitting out on the outside of the house.
We say, if you ain't got no money, take your bro home. G-L-A-M-O-R-O-U-S, yeah. G-L-A-M-O-R-O-U-S, we fly first class up in the sky. We're drinking champagne. Oh, we gotta do that. I'm in the G, in the L, in the N.
You talking about Jack Harlow song?
Yeah.
I don't know his song. What do you say? I've been a
G.
Oh, what is it? I've been a
G.
What's the L? What's the L? What does he say for the L?
Yes, I was gonna make the fusion cookies and then we was gonna watch Christmas movies. Oh!
Why is this here?
Well, I was wearing that yesterday.
But why is this rope here?
Oh, because technically it's
I don't
for...
like that. Is it for a dog?
Yeah. But I thought it was cute. It was sunbuns. Oh my god, it matches your sweater!
What is this?
Oh, you want me to turn on the stadium light?
Yes. Jazmine, try. You like Jazmine entry and what?
Oh, they hate it. They hate it so much. I thought it was better than the Christmas sweaters.
Jerry Brown.
Why are they facing towards the...
They're looking at the mirror. They're looking at the mirror. See? So they're looking at the mirror. So they're looking. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones.
I'm about to make the fusion sugar cookies. This is really popular with the Halloween cookies, but for some reason I cannot get the Pillsbury Halloween cookies. They are always just sold out, but I was able to get the Pillsbury Christmas cookies, all 3 of them, for some reason. So I got that, and I'm just gonna try it like this for Christmas. Okay, so this is how they turned out, which is not that bad. I made cookies.
Oh, Mom, you smell that?
Yeah, no.
You want to look at them?
Why do I need to look at them? To do what?
I don't know. You want to see them?
Oh gosh, I need to sneeze. Is it my
Block the
allergies?
TV a little bit. Can't really see what I'm trying to.
Hey, cookie.
I made fusion cookies, so they're fusion sugar cookies.
Oh, look at that, cute. Oh,
I just got them, put them out the oven.
look.
Huh?
Touch the cookie. I saw,
Oh, you touched it?
like,
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Wow.
my fingers
Yeah,
sucked
that was-
in. I was like, ooh,
that was
look at
good.
my finger. I touched it with my fingers. I was like, ooh.
That's a heavy finger right there. Might as well just.
I just took them out the oven.
I just took it out. I'm like, oh, my bad.
Well, yeah, it's your fault. You should have gave a warning about
Right.
What do you
Dang it.
mean?
Like, it's hot.
it. Give a warning
What
next
if I would
time.
have burnt my finger?
For real.
You would've burnt your
It's
finger.
a hazard. It's a hazard that you're creating in here, Jazz. K-pop, girl group, pop, K-pop, rap.
I think that's very accurate.
Yeah. What rap song do you listen to?
Little Yachty.
Okay. I'll just say the Met song. Yeah.
You played it 369
That's
times.
a lot of time.
I love the song so much. There's no way. I've been listening to so many other artists besides New Jeans and XG on repeat, and they have the audacity
Maybe it was too late
to
in the year.
It's throughout the year.
You over there
I
listening
was-
to The Weeknd? What's that? What?
This
Is this the show? The Idol?
the show.
Why are you listening to the soundtrack?
No, I only listened to it once because I thought Jenny was in it, and it turns out she's not even in both of these songs.
That's great.
I hate it. Those 2 songs were stuck on my repeat for the longest time because I only listened to it once, and it took forever.
They did the same thing for me for like Masego.
You don't like Masego?
I like him, but like I was listening to the album a little bit earlier this year. Then like I feel like Spotify kept putting them on like my daily mixes and everything. So then it comes to now, and it's like, oh, you really like listening to them? I'm like, no, I skipped it most of the time. Oh, that's New Jeans.
Yeah, I love them so much.
You're 0.5. You're top 0.5% fan.
Which I'm surprised. I thought they would probably have me have XG because I listened to them way more. But I guess I started listening to New Jeans before XG.
That's crazy. you was listening to that. This was the song you was listening to.
No, it wasn't.
That's crazy.
There's
That
no way.
Jazmine over that classical music in her shop.
There's no way. That was The Weeknd. And like, no offense. Like, I like The Weeknd, but I like his older
Who the
stuff.
hell is that? Let's Super Around.
Let's Seraphim. I cannot.
Wow, Jazz, you got The Weeknd made it to your top 5, huh?
Oh my
god.
I actually do like The Weeknd. I haven't listened to any of his new music. That's the thing. I only listened to those 2 songs from The Idol, and they just automatically just threw The Weeknd right there.
There wasn't any other songs?
No.
Maybe there's another song that he was on that you just didn't realize.
There's no. I haven't even listened to, like, I like his version of the Creepin', and like I never listened to it on my Spotify.
Metro Boomin.
Yeah.
Metro Boomin wants some more. Maybe they was like, we need to give her something that's not K-pop. This is all we could do.
So if someone's on the other line. Aww.
I didn't get this.
Because you weren't a 0.5%
I
of a
was
fan.
I was 0.5% fan, but
Of who?
38 Special.
What? Have we met before?
You listen to the same over and over.
Girl, the shade of it all.
I really
exactly,
do.
That's exactly what that
That's
says.
literally my whole playlist that I played throughout this year. It's just my repeat.
It's the same old stuff.
My rap playlist is literally just my repeat.
Yeah, dude.